Hi, good day. Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty is going to show you how to make a classic butter cookies. And most butter cookies recipe originate from Denmark. So come, let's join Aunty. These are the ingredients to make classic butter cookies. If you have big egg, you only have to use 2 egg yolk, but this one is smaller egg, so Aunty is using 4 egg yolk. And 185 grams of castor sugar and 250 grams of butter. I'm using golden churn, as well as 260 grams of flour and 260 grams of cornflour, and also 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And for garnish, I'm using cherries. This one already cut into small pieces, as well as pepper cup. This one for packing, and also grater. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, let's put in the butter first. The butter we have to leave it for with room temperature. Okay, we add in sugar, castor sugar, and then continue to blend it. Alright, blend the butter and sugar until it's well incorporated. Okay, you can see the butter and sugar is very well incorporated, meaning the butter has turned pale when it's fully blended with sugar. Alright, now followed by the eggs, the egg yolk. Then we beat it together also. Okay, add in all together. Let it fully blend. It will be well incorporated. Alright. Okay, we add in together with the cornflour and the flour, and this one is baking powder. We add in bit by bit. Okay. Continue to blend it. Okay, finally add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. Okay, it's all well blend already, so now we want to chill it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Then later on we will continue with the process. Okay, we stand by the pepper cup. Wait. Yeah. Okay, now Auntie start to grate it. Okay. Alright, we garnish it with cherries. After this, we put it into the oven, preheated oven already for 150 degrees. We bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes. It all depends on your oven. So friend, this is the ending of classic butter cookies. So that's how it looks like. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless all. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Auntie tasting. See, that's how it looks like. So nice.